My name's Lisa MacArthur, and I'm the Program Manager at the Literacy Group of Waterloo Region. We have offices in Cambridge and Kitchener. Our mission at the Literacy Group is to guide and empower people in Waterloo Region by building skills and unlocking potential, changing lives one word, one number, and one click at a time. 3, 2, 1. We do this at the Literacy Group because we envision a Waterloo region where everyone, regardless of ability, culture, or status, will have the knowledge, the skills, and the confidence to realize their potential and to flourish. At TLG, we have a variety of skills upgrading programs, including reading, writing, math, grammar, computer skills, customer service, and POS training. And we offer it in 3 different ways. We have one-to-one matches with a tutor. We also have small ongoing core groups that run long-term. And then we also have our short-term modular group programs. Now, typically when someone comes to the literacy group, we start the process with a chat. That might involve getting to know what someone's goals are, and then we look at an assessment where we find out where their skills are. From the assessment, we design programs that are tailored to the learner, and this process typically takes between 30 and 90 minutes. Now, if it turns out during that chat or during the assessment that the literacy group doesn't provide the kind of programming that a client is looking for, then we will actually recommend one of the other great programs in the community and make sure that there's a solid connection for the learner to get there. Now, if you work for another agency and you'd like to refer one of your clients to the literacy group for some upgrading, it's really helpful to have a referral form. You can find them on our website, and they are generally linked to all of the flyers about our program, so it's a pretty easy find. But you can also call us or email us, and we'll make sure that you get one. Because the programs that we offer are so varied, the time that a learner would stay with us could be anywhere from 3 weeks for one of our modular programs that might be running 3 times a week, up to as many as 2 years for some of our one-to-one tutoring or core programs.